What are Google Sheets scripts?
Google Sheet scripts are small bits of code that help automate tasks, create custom functions, or connect to other apps. While they use a programming language called AppScript, you don't have to be a programmer to benefit from them. Scripts can help with everything from sending emails to formatting cells, saving you time and repetitive clicks.
Accessing the script editor easily.
To use scripts, open your Google Sheet and click on Extensions, then choose AppScript. This opens a new window where you can enter or copy existing scripts. No installation is needed. Everything runs in the cloud, and you don't need to download anything. It's a simple way to start adding smarter features to your spreadsheets.
Using pre-made scripts, no coding required.
The easiest way to get started is by using ready-made scripts. Search online for scripts tailored to your Google Sheets needs. Copy the script and paste it into the AppScript editor. Common uses include automatically sending emails, removing duplicates, or formatting data. Just follow instructions that come with the script. No coding experience needed.
Running and managing your scripts.
Once a script is in place, click the Run button in the AppScript window. Google may ask for permissions. Review them, then allow access. You can run scripts whenever you wish or set up triggers so the script runs automatically when certain actions occur. If needed, you can edit or delete scripts anytime through the script editor.
Tips for safe and effective automation.
Stick to widely shared scripts from reputable sources and always check online reviews or comments before using new scripts. Keep backups of your sheets before trying a script, in case changes aren't what you expect. As you become comfortable, you'll find scripts are a great way to eliminate boring tasks, even without learning how to code.